Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Cloud SDK on Windows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Google Cloud SDK on Windows, first, ensure that all Google Cloud tools are closed. Open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter to open it. Once the control panel is open, select Programs or Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed programs until you find Google Cloud. At the top of the window, you will see an Uninstall option. Click on it. A confirmation dialog may appear. Click Yes to proceed with the uninstallation. The uninstallation process will begin. Wait for it to complete. Once the process is finished, you may see a completion message. Click Close to exit the uninstaller. To ensure all components are removed, you can also check for and delete the installation directory. Navigate to the default installation path, which is usually found in your user folder. This is typically located at C:\program files, x86, /Google /Cloud SDK or C:\program files /Google /Cloud SDK. Once located, right-click the Cloud SDK. Right-click this PC or My Computer and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings on the left side. In the System Properties window, click on the Environment Variables button. Look for any variables related to Google Cloud SDK and remove them if necessary. Once done, click OK to exit the Environment Variables and System Properties windows. You have successfully uninstalled Google Cloud SDK from your Windows system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.